नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. This is JV and Dr. Meenakshi Soni, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Department of Repertory, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's my topic is computer repertory and its utility in the field of homeopathy. This is one picture of computer repertory after repertorization. There is symptoms in the form of rubric and their medicines with gradation. You can see the rubrics along with the medicine. First medicine is calcarea, second silicea, pulsatilla, sulfur, arsenic, lyco. These are the medicines comes after repertorization. According to Oxford Dictionary, repertory is a place for finding out something or the store and the collection of information. Need of repertory. It is difficult for the human brain to remember so many drugs and symptoms of the drugs. So Hahnemann prepared an index for his own use, but it was not published at that time. Then he used Jahar and the Boning Hassan work. Repertory teaches the physician to be careful in the selection of medicine and avoid routinism. There are physicians who prescribe medicine, say pain in the stomach, pressure, amelioration is bryonia every time, but if he has been trained to consult a repertory before prescribing, he will see that for the same example, 7 medicines are given, hence it will help him to avoid routinism. Repertory makes the study of very interesting and reveals more and more about the unknown symptom. When we are in doubt a rubric, the meaning of which is not clear, we are compelled to read or the exact meaning. When we do so, we feel that we are meeting new personalities in the form of medicines with new ideas which are always willing to help us in the study of difficulty or doubt. Repertorizations with the help of software. So repertorization software were created, making remedy searching and the targeting quicker and nullifying the time-consuming process, skimming through the numerous repertory books. The computer made the process of repertorization faster, more efficient, and was the key factor in generating more awareness about its necessity and its advantage. How does repertorization software benefit you? Save your time. It saves your precious time by doing some mechanical repertorization work within a few seconds and enables you to concrete the on the more important task. Improve accuracy and refine the search. Various symptoms as well as their cross references, synonyms, and the parallel words can be accessed promptly and with high accuracy. Get the precise symptom as described by the patient. Helps organize your work. When working with a repertorization software, all information is available at the click of a button, making referencing easier and well organized. In software like the latest version of HomePath Wildfire, every aspect of a remedy rubric repertorization is available in a single screen with suggestion, option, and alternatives. Widen your search. One of the biggest benefit of the computer repertories is that you can search through the materia medica of symptoms not found in the repertory. So you can see the materia medica part after repertorization in same software. Carry along your clinic. You can carry the entire database and your record in the repertorization software on your laptop and soon on the cell phone too. Thus, one can carry one's entire office along anywhere one travel. Research purpose. You can create your own repertory with the help of the software like cancer, diabetes, asthma, or compile research thesis in a speedy yet professional manner using the repertorization software tools and applications. Expert system. One can learn from the wonderful homeopathic expert sitting in the comfort and convenience of your home or the clinic. Save valuable space. Advanced software have huge database, almost like an entire library compressed and condensed in PC. Thus one can save all the space required for the storing various book, magazine, references, records, etc. Imagine replacing a room with 3000 book with just one software loaded PC or laptop. There are some computer aided repertories. That is one. First is Kara, computer aided repertory analysis, MacroPath, Cantinian by SciHome, Homeo repertory, the profile, radar, uh, Home Path by Jawahar Shah, the Samuel, Mac repertory, Polycresta. These are the repertory software. A computer repertory is nothing but an index to the materia medica sorted by individual symptom. There are few things a computer does better than searching database according to certain criteria. So putting a computer to work on the problem of repertorization is the most natural thing to do. All of program perform well in the respect they find rubrics quickly and obviate the tedious task of writing out remedies in each rubric by hand. Homeopathic treatment is individualized, computerized. Repertories have using number of different method of selecting medicines. The danger of simplistic method are discussed. The theory of voting can be applied to homeopathic repertorization with the different method producing conflicting results. The logical structure of different procedure and the relationship of competence of the prescriber is discussed. Thank you. Hope you are satisfied with my session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it quickly.